When you click the link in Google Classroom for Canva stop motion video, it will bring you to a page that looks like this, and it's set up to create a video. And to create a stop motion video, you're going to have a lot of slides, and each slide will change just a little bit so that when you play it, it'll make it look like the character is doing something. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to click on it, and we are going to make sure this little clock appears where it says edit timing. Right now it says 5 seconds. I like to do 1 second, but you can do kind of anywhere between 1 and 2 seconds if something needs to be longer. And we're going to practice doing a Canva project before we get to the real project, just so you can learn the ins and outs of making a stop motion. So you're going to pick an organ. Let's say I want to do the brain. And I'm going to click graphics and see all. I'm going to pick a little brain. Let's see. Brain. Maybe I'll do this one where he looks like he's going to fly. So if I want my brain to fly, I'm going to pick where I want my brain to start. And I'm going to, let's see, maybe add a text box. And my brain is going to say something. So let's do a speech bubble. And the brain says, add a text box. I am coming to your rescue. Change my font, make it look how I want it to look. That sounds good. Okay. So I'm going to have this appear first. That's how I want my stop motion to start. I'm then going to click on the slide. Oop, I forgot. It did not save it. So you need to click enter to save the time to 1 second. Then I'm going to click Control D to duplicate the exact screen from before. And then I want to move my character ever so slightly on my first frame, my second slide. Control duplicate again. Control duplicate. So there's a third slide. And then it popped up, but I missed it. It says apply to all 3 pages. You want to click that so that all your slides are the same. Now I'm going to get rid of the text because I don't really want that anymore. And I'm going to move my character ever so slightly and continue to do that. Duplicate, sliding up. Click on the slide again. And click duplicate. And you'll see I'm making a little mistakes along the way, but it's all easy to fix and easy to control in Canva. Duplicate again. Now my character is really taking off, so I want to add some wind behind it in my elements. Let's see, wind. And let's see, some winds moving. That's kind of fun. Kind of search through till you find what you like. I like that one, but I'm going to change the color if I can. I don't know if it'll let me. Oh, nope, that one can't change color, so I'm not going to use that one, but there's giving me some magic recommendations, and it made a blue one. Then I'm going to rotate it so it looks like it's coming behind the cape. Okay. Click on the slide again, duplicate. Then I'm going to click on both of those, and I'm going to group them so that I can move them ever so slightly together. I'm going to duplicate, and this gets a little tedious, but the more slides you make, the more seamless your stop motion is going to be. Duplicate, move it again, duplicate, move it again. Click on the slide, click Control D for duplicate. It's the easiest way to do that. Move it again. Click on it, duplicate, move it again. And then I'm going to I want to add another text box. I'm going to do another speech bubble. And it's going to say, and I want to flip it because I want it to go the other direction. So I'm going to flip horizontal. I'm going to add it over there. Add my text box. I am on my way. Okay, then I'm going to duplicate. Oops, keep clicking the wrong button. Click on the slide, Control D for duplicate. Move. Remember to, if you want to move everything in together, you want to group them. Move it a little bit. Slide it over here. Control D for duplicate. He's coming almost to the end. Control D, duplicate, and then he's flying off the page. So now I have a total of, let's see how many pages, 15 slides. And when I click the play button, we click to the first slide and we click the play button, you will see how my character moves over time. And that is called a stop motion video. And we're going to practice making one organ move so that you know how to kind of create this, and it'll help you with our project that's coming up next. So if you want it to go faster, let's say I want him to kind of take off slow, and then when his speed starts with the wind behind him, maybe I want it to start going faster. So maybe I'm going to do 0.8 seconds, 0.7 seconds. 0.7 seconds there. I would have to do that for each one that I want to change if I want to change something. So 0.7. Click enter so it saves it. 0.7, enter. 0.7, enter. So that's his little takeoff. So let's see what happens there. I'm going to play it. He's moving slowly. And it goes a little quicker before he flies away. So that's a quick little stop motion video to practice how to make stop motion videos by making an organ move or do something on your page.